Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your science teacher of class 2. Open your book, page number 14, chapter number 3, Plants and our food. Plants give us fruits, vegetables and grains. Plants give us fruits. We get apple, guava, mango, papaya and other tasty fruits from plants. Plants give us vegetables. Many plants give us vegetables. Ladyfinger, tomato, potato, carrot, radish, onion are some common vegetables we eat in our daily life. Many plants give us fruits and vegetables. Plants give us food, grains and pulses. We get wheat, rice and maize from plants. Such plants are called cereals. Some plants give us pulses, gram, masoor, bean and moong, etc. are some examples of such plants. Plants give us food, grain and pulses. Plant also give us tea, coffee and sugar. Oil and ghee. Your mother and sister daily cook food in oil or ghee. These things we obtain from plants. Plants such as mustard, coconut, groundnut oil and sunflower give us edible oil and ghee. Conclusion of this chapter. Number 1. Plants give us most of our daily food. पौधे हमें रोज़मर्रा की ग़िज़ा मुहैया करते हैं. Many plants give us fruits and vegetables. ज़्यादातर पौधे हमें फल और सब्जियां फराहम करते हैं. Plants give us food, grains and pulses. पौधे हमें grains और pulses मुहैया करते हैं, मसलन गेहूँ, गंदम और दालें. Plants give us tea, coffee, sugar, oil and ghee. पौधे हमें चाय, कॉफ़ी, चीनी, तेल और घी मुहैया करते हैं. See the page number 16. Color the following pictures like this. Formative assessment. Number 1. Tick the fruits only. Apple, orange. Number 2. Tick the vegetables only. Brinjal, cucumber. Number 3. Tick the cereals only. Corn, wheat. Number 4. Tick the edible oil only. Coconut oil, groundnut oil. Tick the flowers which used to make oil. Sunflower and mustard flower which are used to make oil. Fill in the blanks by using the words given below. Fruits, cereals, vegetables, food, pulses, edible. Number 1. Plants give us most of our daily dash. Plants give us most of our daily food. Number 2. Potato, carrot, tomato, etc. are the plants which give us dash. Potato, carrot, tomato, etc. are the plants which give us vegetables. Number 3. Gram, bean and masoor are the examples of dash. Gram, bean and masoor are the examples of pulses. Number 4. Wheat, rice and maize are called dash. Wheat, rice and maize are called cereals. Number 5. Plants such as mustard, coconut and sunflower give us dash oil. Plants such as mustard, coconut and sunflower give us edible oil. Match the pictures with the correct word. The first one is done for you. Mango is an example of fruit, so match this picture with fruit. Banana is an example of fruit, so match this picture with fruit. Grapes is an example of fruit, so match this picture with fruit. Potato is an example of vegetable, so match this picture with vegetable. Ladyfinger is an example of vegetable, so match this picture with vegetable. Orange is an example of fruit, so match this picture with fruit. Now I am going to show you copywork related to this chapter. Draw a margin line, mention date, chapter number 3, plants and our food. Question number 1, name the following. Number 1, name 3 cereals. Answer is wheat, rice and maize are some things used as cereals. Number 2, name 4 fruits. Answer is guava, apple, mango and orange are some fruits. Number 3, name 2 pulses. Answer is grams and beans are some pulses. Number 4, name 4 vegetables. Answer is cabbage, cucumber, carrot and tomato are some vegetables. Question number 5, 2 hot drinks that we get from plants. Answer is tea and coffee. Question number 6, 2 plants which give us edible oil. Answer is mustard and coconut are 2 plants that give us edible oil. Now we are going to draw diagrams next to question number 1. Wheat is an example of cereal. Draw an apple like this. Apple is an example of fruit. These are examples of cereal and fruit. Draw diagram of beans. Beans are example of pulses. Draw a carrot like this. Carrot is an example of vegetable. Draw a diagram of some coffee beans like this. Coffee is an example of hot drinks that we get from plant. These are some examples of pulses, vegetables and coffee beans. Draw a diagram of mustard plant. Draw a mustard plant like this. Mustard plant is an example of edible oil. Mustard plant which give us edible oil. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work on time and submit it on coming Thursday. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.